Bonjour tout le monde. I just wanted to make a quick video to explain to you some things which I hope you have fully understood for your French writing, and this is how to have sentences in your work. Okay. Now you know the verb jouer, to play. Okay. You all know that word. I think since year 7 you know this word, but I want to make it crystal clear how I want to see these verbs in different forms in your writing. So let's take the first one. Je vais jouer. Now, you know that jouer means to play, and to play is an infinitive verb. There are many infinitive verbs in French, and you know them. Aller, to go; faire, to do; manger, to eat; boire, to drink; écouter, to listen; étudier, to study. And in your exercise book, there are lots and lots of infinitive verbs which you can go and have a look at, and it's not too complicated, okay? Now, when you say je vais, that means I'm going to, and then you put the infinitive verb at the end. So you can say je vais jouer, I'm going to play. At the same time, je joue, I play, and j'ai joué, I played. Now, I've just used one verb, and if, for example, in your writing you are able to use 3 tenses, I would be very, very impressed, okay? So all I want you to do in your writing is make sure that you don't just use one tense. We can call this the near future tense, we can call this the present tense, and we can call this the perfect tense. I'll just demonstrate with another verb. Okay, so you've got the je vais jouer, you've got the je joue, and you've got the j'ai joué. And you can pause this video at any point with a pause and make notes for your book. Let's take another verb, aller. Okay, if you want to say I am going to go, like for example next weekend I am going to go somewhere, you'd say je vais aller, je vais aller. Yeah, and then if you want to say I go, like every Sunday I go to the coffee shop, je vais. And if you want to say that you went somewhere, then you would use that Mrs. Van der Tramp, and you would use être in the perfect tense, and you would say je suis allé. Now, you'll remember, of course, that verbs that do take Mrs. Van der Tramp, their endings change depending on the pronoun used and the gender of that pronoun. So the je form is the most common that you're going to be using in your letter. If you're a girl, you add an e. If you're not, you just keep the e there, so it's in brackets, okay? Now, just so that you can be 100% sure of that, je vais aller, I am going to go; je vais, I go; I went. Okay? 1, 2, 3. So, if you can use those 6 verbs I've shown you in the last 2 minutes, in your writing, that would be excellent. You can watch this video back, you can press pause, you can take notes. I just want to make sure that there are things which you can include in your work which are consistent with 3 different tenses. With the je vais form, all you need to do is just add a different infinitive verb, and you can say I'm going to do, I'm going to fly, and you can look online at loads of infinitive verbs. That's fine. Always just go je vais plus the infinitive verb. Use your revision sheets, use your brains, and you're going to do very well. Good luck.